Akan ka sni na kaliang jong kasroka mifa ikaban don knan kanika press conference akan pentip paipa siya kinosong snom jong gajla ko jongi hakbedei bat kajing yo jongi na kaliang katib bagi polis ban kemno ia kini kiba involve akan ikicik penyap ia utu uwe negitoris ubare ulok jong kaway naga kitoris kibawan hakini kikenggat sni kablalay no ke nasngaw baha ban pedip ba milayo ban kemno jaki boro sawut kibara ni suspect kibadon kti hakani kakam bat kumju ru ia kalok jong ulid raja kaba milayo ban kem yakaru syate kala surrender yang di kamde pengikem kala surrender le hakoi conversation hamte hapo ibi ke kalong kai kaba smutunat hadin bangiyo pun ke jikin tho na bar jong kajela megalai jomi sapang ka jinglong ipaiba hapo megala sapang ka jinglong jong kibriu hasora kaba penting kaba speak wat ikitoris kibawan na po India kele sodong batkunju kibawan na kaliang jong ki toris ke banabar jong ka ring dia jong ni kini ki sawut ki brio kem bat sanmut bat ka tukalok jong u let raja hilap baki de kini ki rusneu bat kini ki rusneu ru ngalabat om kimbe nang ni jela jong ni kide ki benang pe na bat jong ke jela ke jong ni ngatharai kitu ki bekre kitu ki ba I news laki ong ka national le la ka north east le kat badai le na haki social media ngathai kan ni kan jubah yaki baplen kane kajing jom kerki joki ban ai ka conclusion ban om ba kejela megala kadi ke besniu lani ke bom singan ka bamut maki hi insya kenok kala baplen kane ka bangin le rain kala mangi kum kita ki social media dan kum kita ki news ki as well established news kiba let's say kiba juai ya kata kakubor syakleng jog India jogi nakapor saya kaba arpat ru na kalian jogi government ni sape kumla ogi SD mane idon katrani kiba ten i kiba kan narrative kaba gila ai makikal along too personal kaba along palat kumji kita ngau di minum spare kaba katugan itliki FIR na kalian jom ka police department kalale
Hingga ni macam berapa lisa kaba bun ki bring it kana tuf ba desi ki dalit ki sijur stisha ki tan sora ki ja kadang kana tuf bong ba ki nak stam ki dikit bom long lami kana tuf kan ni kan investigation kala pen pa ya ka jing sisha ba ki turasi ki nak patron dikshat tien lada ki nok stam ki la bende kumta te kadang ki dikshat tien ki mereka ni kan investigation kala wanta ka diksha la pen pa madan ya ka jingle kamde nang ni kadi brio nang thi ni wa na ba ni wonde kani kan perwanda ta confidence ba hoy dan brio ru tin syakem be
kajing ya sadum kajing sanut bat kajing syak keno kapalai ujat lai poski menta kasni kala poi syak basai syak pau bat menta kagenti kini ki saumut bat sanwut ru bat kata ka kong sunam ka kalok jong utulit raja kaba kin menta kinia ya ka hakaba ngin warna ya ki borok sene selong maka benta bania chu investigation kajim keli kajim dokit ka bapaka de ngekwa ban pentip ban aku blai kerpang ru ya ki paitba jom ke jela megala juni barok way nadu ka megala police force jomi ki bala trace tom made basni barok nang ta nadu ke nega special investigation team nang ta ki don ki negi kini ki SOT nata kidon ki SDRF ki State Disaster Response Force nata ki National Disaster Response Force nata ka NESA kenanta kini ki Local Intelligence Unit bat hukumju ki nong bat ki an ki kanun hakleng kisnong kitaw kita sora bro rengkat ru ke dorbar snong nang ta ki don ru ki kenhun na West Jati Hills ki badai ki association ki bakiulung ki balai don benta bahang nang ta ka district association mapi ki media bro ki bayadon ki bayawan jing tiplang na kapor sa kapor tiap den jong ka jing ka bakraw na kaliang jong ka police department nakalian jong ka police force ka jongi haga bakaduk ngalala ban poi mentasya ka bangilalap ya kadau bat ya kita kinong le kam sneu ha kini ki kendet si bat ki kendet tayo ke blaleng no te kumta ka jingger pat jongan nakalian jong ka sorka ya poro ki paita jong ka cela ka jongi bakin nang so bahaban ai men sim susu ya ka police force ka jongi bat kumjuru bandon ka men sim jongi nadu ki tourist taxi association pat paro nadu ki nong sok snong ki nong sok tau yami ya ka bandai wat yami rengkat mengkat ban ni lang bat ki bor polis ki jongi bat ka district association bat kumjuru bat ka civil subdivision nang tin sora hakaba kadu ka ngilala ban yo ban kek yang usong ubang akan scan da kan ni ke jinglap ke jingyo ke jongi kan wen lut ya ka tu ke jing akatin paro kabadon ha ki turis lagi di paiba ki ba perkat ban cengok ban syangkai dan ban pekai ya ke jing tenat jong ke jela ke jong yang ni apa kan ni ru nilai ship ki apa bat inang pun plan chu away na ka mekanisme ka bangi ni don menta kalau ke MRSS ya kan ni namang nila ibor snong ki bor tau kumangong ki hadu ki homestay ki hotel paro di Jakarta nila ay construction siya paro lani ki trying la kalong hasilong lani sabah silong ki basaway bakit pendiang ya kot ki dislay ki sedikit jong ki beri ki bawan dang ba kumo bila dadon kum kitu ki jaibri ki bawan la si dak jingmut ke basniu New York kamploy ban ken la de ban le ban yada ya ki jisdi ku ban jia hadin awu kum ngatu ki jia kum piong ya kum sosun aso ban om ban ya ban a ji jero dia ka police force ke jong ka batang hadin kan lu ka tu kan ipon layok ban ken ban lawan ra aru ya usurus diu sani da ka benda ba ka ai kan shim
not safe, these, that. I think there are so many things. And then, of course, some individual also, they came out with that narrative where they said that you don't go to Shillong, you don't go to Meghalaya, though the place is beautiful, though the place is good. But I'm telling you today, the breakthrough made. Let me tell you one thing, that we will again be sure those people who love our region, who love Meghalaya, who love Shillong, to see, I'm very sure they will have again faith and confidence from now on.
So that definitely true. So what I'm talking about the police, I'm talking about the whole scenario. Very obviously, they have done a very great job. Within a 1 week, SIT have been set. And
In fact, right now, there is not much lacking on the issue of registration or checking the identity of the tourists. We have already instructed, in fact, all the hotelers, be it homestay at any concern, that when any tourist comes in, get themselves inside the hotel or inside the homestay, they need to have a proper registration.
Sonam Sir, she have left after the crime she committed. She left from this particular place, and
No, that's what she see, because the crime was committed on the 23rd, and they left on the 23rd itself. And then whereas the FIR was received after 2-3 days. So you understand?
Second, sir.
Huh?
Second.
Yeah, that's see on the second. You get a point. SP said the FIR was received on the 2nd of June. You understand? So until unless somebody come, maybe after 2 hours, 3 hours of disappearance, you can't blame the police or you can't blame the government. You get a point. So therefore, we have tried our best, and you should appreciate one thing, that the Meghalaya police has done the best, and nobody expect that the culprit or the criminals
will be from the
is
outside.
far away from Meghalaya, far away from Shillong. They are all from Madhya Pradesh or from UP, so on and so forth.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah.